Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best PC cases that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Building a powerful gaming PC but struggling with high temperatures and messy cable management? Many cases look good, but they choke airflow, causing your GPU and CPU to run hotter and louder. If you want clean aesthetics, strong airflow, and easy building, you need a case designed for performance from the ground up. Meet the NZXT H7 Flow 2024, a mid-tower ATX airflow case designed for high-performance gaming builds with clean cable management and excellent cooling support. The NZXT H7 Flow 2024 focuses heavily on airflow with its perforated front panel that allows unrestricted air intake. It comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, so you can start building without buying extra cooling right away. One standout feature is bottom fan support, which helps push cool air directly to the GPU, perfect for modern high-power graphics cards. The case supports ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards, making it flexible for different builds. You also get excellent cable management, with wide routing channels, Velcro straps, and plenty of space behind the motherboard tray. There's support for large GPUs, multiple radiator options, and a clean white finish that looks great in any setup. Pros include excellent airflow design, included fans, GPU-focused bottom cooling, and very clean cable management. The interior is spacious and easy for beginners to build in. On the downside, it doesn't include RGB fans, and premium materials like tempered glass are standard but not exceptional. Also, heavy water cooling users may want more included fans. This case is perfect for gamers building a high airflow PC, users with powerful GPUs, and anyone who wants a clean white aesthetic. It's also great for beginners who want an easy-to-build case with strong cooling out of the box. At $69.99, the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 offers excellent value, strong airflow, included fans, and premium build quality at a very competitive price. Number 4. This is the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack, a fully modular mid-tower ATX case designed for flexible layouts, compact size, and customizable airflow. The Qube 500 Flatpack features a fully modular panel design, allowing you to reconfigure the case layout based on your build needs. You can change panel positions, airflow direction, and internal arrangement easily. It supports eATX motherboards, which is impressive for a compact mid-tower size. This makes it ideal for high-end builds. The case includes one pre-installed 120mm rear fan, with support for additional fans on the top, bottom, and side panels. You also get dual 280mm radiator support, making it capable of handling powerful liquid cooling setups. A vertical GPU mount option allows you to showcase your graphics card for a cleaner aesthetic. The case uses tempered glass panels, giving your build a premium look while still allowing airflow customization. It also features rear-mounted PSU support, helping improve internal cable routing and airflow efficiency. Pros include extremely modular design, compact footprint, eATX support, and strong radiator compatibility. It's also lightweight and easy to transport thanks to its flatpack-style assembly. Cons include only one included fan, so extra cooling fans are recommended. The modular setup may also take longer to assemble compared to traditional cases. This case is ideal for PC builders who want maximum customization, compact desk setups, and unique layouts. It's great for enthusiasts, modders, and users building high-end systems in a smaller footprint. At $63.99, the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack offers excellent value, especially for a fully modular case with ATX support and flexible cooling options. Number 3. Introducing the InWin A3-mATX gaming chassis, a compact yet premium case with tempered glass, RGB lighting, and strong air and water cooling support. The InWin A3 features a compact MicroATX tower design, perfect for smaller setups without sacrificing performance. It includes a built-in 120mm RGB fan, giving your build vibrant lighting right out of the box. The case uses tempered glass side panels, allowing you to showcase your components and RGB lighting beautifully. Despite its compact size, it supports air and water cooling, including radiator mounting options for improved thermal performance. The rear-mounted power supply layout helps improve internal space efficiency and cable routing. You also get GPU clearance for modern graphics cards, making it suitable for gaming builds. The minimalist black design gives the case a clean and premium aesthetic, ideal for modern setups. Pros include compact size, premium tempered glass design, built-in ARGB fan, and support for both air and liquid cooling. The build quality is solid and visually appealing for showcase builds. Cons include limited internal space compared to larger ATX cases, fewer included fans, and tighter cable management for beginners. This case is ideal for compact gaming PC builders, MicroATX users, and those who want a stylish RGB showcase build. It's also great for users with limited desk space who still want strong cooling and premium aesthetics. At $131.99, the InWin A3 is priced higher than typical MicroATX cases, but you're paying for premium design, tempered glass construction, and ARGB styling. If you want a compact, high-quality showcase case, it offers solid value, but budget-focused builders may find cheaper alternatives. Number 2. Meet the Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow, a stylish mid-tower ATX case with dual tempered glass panels and 3 pre-installed ARGB fans. The View 270 Plus features dual tempered glass panels on the front and side, creating a panoramic showcase design for your components and RGB lighting. It includes 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans, delivering strong airflow and vibrant lighting right out of the box. The case supports eATX, ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards, giving you flexibility for different build sizes. You also get 360mm radiator support, making it ideal for powerful liquid cooling setups. The bottom-mounted PSU design helps improve airflow and keeps cables neatly hidden. There's plenty of GPU clearance for modern graphics cards and multiple fan mounting positions for optimized cooling. The snow white finish combined with RGB lighting creates a clean, premium gaming aesthetic. It also comes with a 3-year warranty, adding extra peace of mind. Pros include beautiful dual glass design, 3 included ARGB fans, 360mm radiator support, and wide motherboard compatibility. It also offers strong airflow and excellent showcase aesthetics. Cons include slightly heavier weight due to glass panels, limited front mesh airflow compared to full mesh cases, and cable management may require some planning. This case is perfect for RGB showcase builds, white-themed gaming setups, and users building powerful liquid-cooled PCs. It's also great for gamers who want premium looks with strong cooling at a budget-friendly price. At $69.99, the Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow offers excellent value. You get 3 ARGB fans, dual tempered glass panels, eATX support, and 360mm radiator compatibility, which is impressive at this price. For a stylish RGB showcase case on a budget, this is a very strong value option. Number 1. Introducing the Lian Li A3-mATX 26.3L, a compact modular micro-form factor case designed in collaboration with Dan, built for powerful small-size PC builds. The Lian Li A3 features a 26.3-liter compact chassis, making it perfect for high-performance builds in a small footprint. It supports MicroATX and Mini-ATX motherboards, giving flexibility for different compact builds. One of its standout features is 360mm AIO radiator support, which is rare for such a compact case. The case includes a modular internal layout, allowing you to reposition components for better airflow and compatibility. It uses flexible power supply installation, including front-mounted PSU positioning to maximize space efficiency. Despite the small size, it supports full-length GPUs, making it ideal for powerful gaming builds. The minimalist black steel design keeps the look clean, modern, and professional. This case is built with Dan Collaboration Engineering, focusing on space optimization and performance. Pros include extremely compact size, 360mm AIO support, modular layout, and strong GPU compatibility. The build quality is solid and ideal for small high-performance systems. Cons include no fans included, tighter cable management, and limited airflow unless you add extra fans. This case is ideal for compact gaming PC builders, small desk setups, and users wanting high-end performance in a small footprint. It's also perfect for enthusiasts who enjoy custom airflow and modular builds. At $89.99, the Lian Li A3 offers good value for a premium compact chassis. You get modular design, 360mm AIO support, and strong compatibility in a small size. However, you'll need to budget extra for cooling fans, which adds to the total cost. If you want a compact yet powerful modular PC case, the Lian Li A3 is a great choice. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PC hardware reviews.